guys. Hi guys, if you are interested to learn how to golf in the first move, you can visit in the driving range and give you some tips how to hit the ball in past 25 years in driving range from 90s with my friends. So he's the perfect for the vlog for this driving range. Okay, from there, if you board in the house, you can go here to experience how to hit the ball in the golf range. Okay, so this is a cheapest way and different journey or passion how to share to you instead staying at house without nothing. Okay, so this is fun for me because it's different and a little bit happiness and experience how to hit the ball in the golf range. Okay, so it's done tomorrow again, hopefully. Okay, so this is gold tea. See, a gold tea. There's a name, Hidden Valley. Okay guys, hopefully you like it, this vlog video for today, how hitting the ball in the golf range this weekend. So it's fun for me. I think you like it because it's not busy today, so we have time to do this weekend. Hopefully again tomorrow with a clear weather, with no rain, and it's all windy. See the trees, the flags. Okay, the cafeteria, it's clean. So okay, so if you're playing, return the basket in the golf pro office. Okay, why? It's okay, Vinny. Go there in the vehicle. I'm tired also, my arms. Vinny, like that, oh, how to hit the ball. It's cool, eh? Take a picture, Vinny. Go inside. The ladies. Wow. That's what inside. Okay. Sit now. Finally, we did again. We did again. Go inside, Vinny. My arms is tired, so we need to keep this because this is a $3.25. So I keep this instead you buy it next time. Okay, so it's fun. Yes, that's the whole thing. It's a wheeler, so it's easy to carry and handle. Okay guys, that's it for now. This is the surrounding area. There's the house near in the valley. Okay, see you guys and hope you like it. This vlog for today is about how to hit the ball in the driving range. Okay, see you guys. With clear sky, subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming uploaded video for this week. Okay, see you guys.